Today I'm going to show you how to easily prepare a delicious Kung Pao Tofu. This is a classic dish from the Szechuan region of China, famous for its bold flavors. The signature taste comes from a fantastic combination of Szechuan pepper and a savory-sour sauce. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 200 grams of firm tofu, 1 teaspoon of Szechuan peppercorns, 2 to 3 dried chilies, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 scallions, 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cornstarch, and oil for frying. For the sauce, you will need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 1 tablespoon of black vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of Ajinomoto. First, mix all the ingredients for the sauce in a bowl and set it aside. In a separate small bowl, mix the cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the tofu and fry them until they're just lightly golden. Remove the tofu from the pan and set it aside. Add a little more oil to the pan. Fry the peppercorns and dried chilies over medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then, add the chopped ginger, garlic, and the white part of the scallions. Fry everything for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now, add the prepared sauce and the fried tofu to the pan. Mix everything together well. Next, pour in the cornstarch mixture and stir everything well until the sauce thickens. Turn off the heat, and finally, add the roasted peanuts. Serve the Kung Pao tofu with freshly cooked rice and garnish with scallions. Enjoy your meal.